give him a moment. It is Jirongo who made Uhuru president. It is Jirongo who stuck bumper to bumper with Nyayo. Maybe Amos Wako, you know the forces that were fighting this thing. I don't want to name names, but Jirongo pushed Nyayo up to a point where in Kapsakwani, with this Joe Kim Kung, Moi declared, everybody was saying, I'm the one. Raila was saying he's the one. Saitoti alikuwa anasema ni yeye. Kalonzo alikuwa anasema, hata Musalia alikuwa amesema, hata Ngala. They were all angling to be Moi's successor. Jirongo ndiye alisukuma Nyayo mpaka wakatangazia Mount Elgon, na Joe ulikuwa hapo wakati huo. Alafu dunia ikaharibika. It went down. So God rest our brother. I know